In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to set up a new project from scratch, choose the right billing method, link it to a client, and make sure the right team members are included so everyone can start working with clarity. First, head over to the left side of your screen and click on Projects. This is your central hub where all projects live. If you don't immediately see it, your sidebar might be collapsed. Hover near the edge or expand it so the projects option becomes visible. Opening this area helps you keep everything organized and makes it easy to revisit projects later. Next, look to the upper right corner and click on the Create New dropdown. This is where new projects are initiated. If you don't have access to this option, you may need to check your permissions with an account admin. Once the dropdown opens, you'll be presented with choices that determine how the project will be billed and tracked. You can choose between a flat rate project or an hourly project. A flat rate project is typically best when the scope is well defined and you're charging a single fee regardless of the time spent. An hourly project is ideal when work may evolve or when you need precise tracking of time for billing and reporting. For this walkthrough, we'll choose an hourly project so that every hour logged by your team is tracked and accounted for. Now click on Assign a Client. Linking a client to the project ensures your reports, invoices, and internal dashboards clearly reflect who the work is for. It also makes it easier to filter and analyze performance by client later on. From the client list that appears, choose the appropriate client. If you see multiple entries, double check you're picking the correct one to keep your records clean and consistent. With the client set, scroll to the project members area and click the plus sign. This is where you bring people into the project so they can track time and access the details they need. From the list of available team members, select the person or people who will be contributing. It's a good idea to include only those who will actually be working on the project to keep your timesheets tidy and your reporting accurate. If you're unsure who to include, start with the core contributors, and you can always return to this section to add or remove members as the work evolves. That's it. You've navigated to projects, created a new hourly project, assigned a client, and added team members. Everything you need to start tracking